un coiffeur, a hairdresser. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to learn the vocabulary of jobs in French. So let's start. Un docteur, a doctor. Un professeur, a professor. Un policier, a policeman. Un banquier, a banker. Un boucher, a butcher. Un coiffeur, a hairdresser. Un jardinier, a gardener. Un infirmier, a nurse. Un écrivain, a writer. Un scientifique, a scientist. Un militaire, a soldier. Un marin, a marine. Un vétérinaire, a veterinary. Un boulanger, a baker. Un poissonnier, a fishmonger. Un journaliste, a journalist. Un photographe, a photographer. Un buraliste, a tobacconist. Un employé, an employee. Un employeur, an employer. Un ingénieur, an engineer. Un conducteur, a driver. Un chauffeur, a driver. Un avocat, a lawyer. Un artiste, an artist. Un acteur, an actor. Un pilote, a pilot. Un vendeur, a salesperson. Un maître, a primary school teacher. Un caissier, a cashier. Un comptable, an accountant. Un serveur, a waiter. And un chercheur, a researcher. Of course, there are more professions than the ones we went through. All the jobs are found in the masculine form in this list. To have the feminine, simply follow the rules so for turning masculine into feminine. And remember that if the noun ends in a silent E in the masculine form, to have the feminine we simply change the article to its feminine version. Now, in that list, some are considered as exceptions because the opposite gender can't be used. These are doctor, médecin, that also means doctor, marin, and professeur. This means that we can't turn them into feminine and we can't even use a feminine article in front of them even if the professional is a woman. So it is not correct to say une docteur or une professeur. Now, bear in mind that for professeur, the feminine une professeur can be found in some books or dictionary, but it has not yet been recognized as correct. As I said, instead of doctor, we can use un médecin. Now, let's see an important rule. We won't use the articles in front of a profession when the verb être, to be, is used. So to say, I am a teacher, I'll say, je suis professeur, and not, je suis un professeur. That's it for the vocabulary of jobs. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!